Can you circle the koala for us, Myla?
We
Very good. Read for us. An
elephant
mhm,
picks up leaves.
mhm. Fruit.
Fruit and bark.
Mhm.
With its trunk, it puts them into its mouth.
What about the next animal that we can see here? What animal is it? Jason.
Alan Totos.
Please, let's see some of the cutest animals that we can find. Now, what types of animals do you think they are? First of all, what animals are they? Let's see. Mila's got her hand up. What animal can you see, Mila?
Panda bear.
A panda. Fantastic. Now, first we have the glossary. What do we call this part? Everybody, glossary.
Glossary. Glossary.
One more time. Let's say glossary.
Glossary.
Okay, guys, so it was very lovely to see you all today again. But now it's time for us to go. You did a great job today, guys. So bye-bye and see you on Thursday. Bye.
Bye.
Hey kids, are you a Roblox fan? Then sign up for August Speaking Club. It's a Roblox Girls Summer where we're going to be learning and speaking, having lots of fun using Roblox with Luna, the Roblox superstar. I can't wait to see you there. Bye bye.